In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly create an agent in Dialogflow. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is open up a web browser and go to dialogflow.cloud.google.com. Now, it might ask you to sign into your Google account. Now, once you've done that, you're going to come to a page that looks similar to mine. Now from here we've got two options. We can go ahead and click on create agent here on the top left hand corner, or we can click on the blue button here, create agent. So just go ahead and click onto either or and then give this agent a name. Now once I've given it a name, and names cannot contain white spaces, so there must be one word. And then default language, we can change that if you like. I'm going to keep it English. Default time zone, you can change that as well. So I'm not in Pacific, I'm in Adelaide, but I'm just going to click on to probably Sydney. That's all good. And then from here, agent type we can set as mega agent if you like. So this combines multiple Dialogflow agents, i.e. sub agents, into a single agent. So you can enable that. From here, go ahead and click on create. Now that's going to go ahead and create that agent for you. Should only take a few moments. Now once you've done that, you can see your Dialogflow agent is now created. Now after creating the agent, you're going to see intent, so define what users say and how the bot responds. We've got entries or entities, sorry, so we can extract important data, dates, names and numbers. Fulfillment here, so connect webhooks or backend logic, and we also got integration, so connect to agent to platforms like Messenger, Telegram, web chat, etc. So the next step here, you want to go in and click on onto creating your first intent. So you want to give this a name like so, and then select create intent. So we can add context here, we can add events. We've also got training phases as well, so you can go ahead and play around with all that stuff here and then go ahead and click save.